Hello, guys and girls, of course. Uh, so, few of you have been asking about my softwares and equipment I use, even though there are only like three people. So, without any further ado, let's go. So, he is the boss of my setup, Uchiha Itachi. And here is my workspace. This is my workspace. Uh, and the main thing is this means a workspace where I play video games oftenly. So this is my workspace. This is my domain. Welcome to my domain. Or you can say like domain. uh, means means. It's like entrance exam where you have qualified prelims and you can do the main part. My mouse, a pretty fancy mouse, but I rather prefer my Dell mouse. You probably won't be able to recognize it, but this is the PC I built it, and that was such a drag. I was rather say. And this is my baby, my Chalabhashi Yantram. It's a pure Sanskrit name. I'm not a Pandit, but I named him that. I'm sorry. And this is a gaming desktop. I know you won't go much about its specs. So this is my machine, and you are done with my setup tour. And thank you for the view.